Technology Initiative for LISD. Project 3 is a technology initiative presentation. My name is Norma Ochoa Urban-Palomarez. This technology initiative follows the 8-part implementation guidelines set up by the National Center for Educational Statistics, which is a process for managing technology initiatives in educational organizations. Number 1, planning your technology initiatives. The COVID-19 pandemic in the spring of 2020 totally changed the LISD learning landscape. Teaching learning spaces were redefined with teachers and students matriculating from home. LISD was more prepared than many school districts around the nation, with an existing district-wide 1X device technology program that provides iPads for students and teachers and MacBook Pros for teachers. The district also has Canvas, a district-wide learning management system for teachers and students, and LISD is a Google Suite invested district. Number 2, determining your technology needs. Shelter-in-place orders pushed up the Canvas implementation. LISD Canvas usage monitoring revealed that our teachers and secondary students were able to maneuver the system with a little bit of instruction and a lot of exploration. However, it very quickly became evident that the Canvas modules were too complex for most of our 34,000 elementary school students and their parents, who are now charged with the ominous task of navigating not only the grade-level subject matter for their children, but the Canvas technology as well. After conducting a district-wide survey of teachers, students, and parents, the primary accessibility and use issues for the lower grades seem to be the Canvas learning management software. Number 3, selecting your technology solution. After careful consideration of existing infrastructures, the need for accessibility and ease of use for primary grades teachers, students, and parents in LISD, the obvious technology choice was Google Classroom. There will be no additional budget expenditures, and the consistency and continuum in learning will be intact. Google Classroom is operable on the existing LISD 1X deployed student and teacher iPads, and all of the current LISD tech facilitators are Google certified trainers. LISD administrative staff is available to design courses and train the trainers for each elementary campus. Number 4, implementing your technology. The Google Classroom Tech solution will require all elementary school teachers to implement Google Classroom as their learning management system for the upcoming school year, with Google Teacher certifications mandatory for all teachers by the end of the school year. The implementation team will be made up of the existing elementary school tech facilitators and the technology administrator for LISD, all of whom are Google Teacher and Google Trainer certified, and who will create and facilitate Google Classroom and Google Teacher certification courses inside of the Canvas LMS for teachers to complete before they test for certification. Number 5, safeguarding your technology. LISD currently employs the use of a strong firewall, Content Keeper, that will block content on student iPads if they wander into internet areas considered inappropriate for ethical and/or security reasons, and Google Cloud Security. Google Security covers operational and device security, internet communications, identity authentication using security keys, data encrypted storage, service deployment, and hardware infrastructure. Number 6, maintaining and supporting the technology. LISD will maintain and support the technology through ongoing Google Classroom updates pushed out from LISD at Technology Central, and additionally, all teachers, administrators, parents, and students will have account access to the Google Classroom Help Community website. Number 7, training for your technology. Google Classroom technology training includes online Google Apps and Google Apps training, a help desk, and ongoing professional development for teachers in Google Apps, Google Classroom, and Google Teacher certifications. Number 8, integrating your technology. When integrating Google Classroom technology, we must remember that Google Classroom is a lesson delivery tool. The technology should not drive the instruction. The lesson itself should be well planned by the teacher and focused on the needs of the students. Integrating Google Classroom should require different classrooms for each section or class. The teacher should monitor student comments and communicate through Google Classroom with both students and parents. Google Classroom will meet the immediate needs for a learning management system for our LISD elementary students, parents, and teachers.